Alright, so today we're going to be switching out an old shower head for a more water efficient shower head. This one is rated at 1.25 gallons per minute. I'm not too sure what the old one is, but this one's just going to be a little bit better. So we're going to go ahead and switch it out. You want to start off with a pair of channel locks. Have it adjusted to the size for the piping or just the shower head itself. You're just going to go ahead and clamp that. Give it a couple turns until it's just loose, and then you could undo the rest with your hands. One thing you want to double check is that the new shower head has the seal in it, pressed all the way in. You're just going to go ahead and twist that on, get it on the threading. And with the new shower head, you could just do about hand tight. And there you go.